That's Mr. Pineapple.
Oh, is that what
Mr. Pineapple, not Elton. Well, actually, I do kind of look like.
You do, and I've got a skull. I've got a skull outfit on. I was
Way
going
to
to put
go.
on the whole wig, but I was going to be Cruella DeVille or Cruel Devil. But I just thought this is spookier with the
Right.
black skull.
Yeah, Mr. Pineapple here.
We all know what pineapples mean. That's
Taylor
okay.
Kaye, happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween.
How are you, darling?
Good.
Good to see you.
I've got some DIYs for you guys that you can do right now at home.
Okay.
And it's
For tonight.
For tonight.
Right.
And it's also to make the kids work for their candy. They can't just come to my house and get some candy. You've got to work for the candy. I'm not just giving, because we get a lot of kids at our house.
How many kids?
We give out about 1,500 pieces of candy. Like 1,500 pieces. I think I'm gonna have to
goodness.
and some years I've ran out of candy that I take it from my kids' bowl because I'm like, they won't notice.
Oh, my goodness.
Yes.
So like everybody's just getting one.
One or two.
One or two. Okay.
And if I like you,
but they got to work for it.
They got to
work for that second or third one.
So
okay?
here's something that you can do right now. So you probably have a bunch of boxes at home. You can wrap it up in paper if you want, just to pretty it up. But if not, you can do some duct tape. I've got some stickers on here, spiders. And Tim, when you come to my door and you knock, you say trick or treat.
Right.
Do you want box number 1 or box number 2?
I don't know. Like
well, put your hand in the box and see what you get.
Box number 2.
Box number 2. What is in there? It might be brains.
Ow!
So, yeah, you're not gonna get. So spaghetti. You're gonna have to have face cuts. You should have done the next box, which there's candies in.
How long has that spaghetti been in there for?
For a while.
For a while.
For a
There's a
while.
lot of kids who are going to be touching
There's
that
a lot
too.
of kids. You might need
What's
a face
this one?
cloth. That's a candy.
Oh.
Yes.
I
So
chose wrong.
You chose wrong. But anyway, I don't need any crying kids. I still give a candy.
Oh, you.
Yeah.
You get the parents coming back. They're like, "Do you make my kid cry?"
You made my kid take spaghetti.
Yeah.
So this is another. I know you've got 3 kids. I've got 3, and
right.
then you want to go out with your husband
So
or
that's
wife
what we
or
do.
partner.
We leave the bowl because we don't get 1,500 kids.
You get.
We get a lot less. So we an honor system.
Yeah. So in the honor system, let's be honest, does not work.
It does not
okay?
work.
It doesn't work with my kids. So you want to prank the kids a little bit. So all you're going to need is a cooler with a lid that is attached, and you're going to say, "Please take one." And when they open the lid, boo!
No.
I said 1 candy. I mean, listen, they're still going to take lots of candies, but let's just prank them in while we do this. But again, you're going to need a cooler with an attachable lid, because if the lid comes off, the lid's is going to be a frisbee. Okay? Right?
Okay.
Okay.
Two
So
down.
okay.
Good.
Next one up is a scavenger hunt.
Right.
We know when the kids come home tonight, right after school, and especially with toddlers, they're like, "Mom, when are we going out? When are we going out?"
Right.
You need that break, right?
Yeah.
To just make dinner and get ready. So you're like, "Hey kids, you know what? Let's look for a bat. Let's look for an owl, a broom, things that they can look around in the neighborhood just before the lights come on."
This is a pre-walk.
It's a pre-walk.
Like a pre-scouting mission.
Pre-scouting mission, and again, or they can do it for fun, like if they're like on a screen. Well, you listen, I don't. If they're on a screen doing stuff, watching a
My
little Halloween
kids are
outfit.
never on screens.
They're never
Taylor.
on screens.
Never. Yes.
Okay, never ever. This is something again you can do tonight to make spooky popcorn, and this is green popcorn, but you can make black popcorn.
Looks real edible.
Don't
Did
eat
you
it.
make that this morning?
No, it's been here for a while.
Like how long?
It might be styrofoamy now. But anyway, so what you're going to need for this green popcorn, or any color, again, black or pink if you want Barbie colored popcorn, pop the popcorn over your stove with oil, but you're going to need oil-based food coloring, which you can get at any grocery store.
Yeah, okay.
Because most of them are water-based.
Right.
And then people are like, "Why didn't that DIY work, Taylor?" Well, because you need oil with oil. Oil and water doesn't mix.
Ah,
So
okay.
you want oil-based food coloring. You can add like some M&Ms in there,
Yeah.
candy eyes.
Oh, we only got a minute.
Okay,
Goodness.
next
Okay,
thing.
this is the big. Why do we? Okay, so this is the.
Okay, so this is the kids are gonna. I want to make the kids work.
Okay.
So you're gonna need a pool noodle for my witch's
Pool
brew.
noodle.
You're gonna need duct tape.
Duct tape.
And then you're gonna need some spidery lights. And
Some
then you're just.
spidery lights.
So here's my pool noodle, all duct tape with the lights, and then just take a broom that you have at home.
Right.
And then you're gonna get the kids to limbo for some candy.
Limbo. Do we
But we're-
have
we
somebody
have a
that
kid.
wants to limbo? Oh, you're not limboing?
No, you're the kid.
You are.
Oh, I'm
You're gonna
limboing.
get candy or wet spaghetti.
Okay, so
What would you-
limbo is good. Okay, I'm gonna move
So
this
again,
out of the way.
just a pool noodle, black duct tape, a broom. You can do this
Can
at
we
home.
get some music, please?
Dun, 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 dun.
Brian,
Can
come on over, buddy.
Okay, get over.
Got it.
Go lower.
Oh, goodness, lower.
And you get a candy. You will get a candy.
Oh, I'm not kidding.
I'll lower.